The importance of tide tables for seafarers. Tide tables are crucial for seafarers, providing essential information about predicted tide times and height at specific location. This information is vital for safe and efficient navigation, especially when arriving at port. Understanding tide and their data. Tide tables present data on the predicted times and high and low tides for various coastal locations. This information is delivered from astronomical pole of the moon and sun, as well local geographic factors. The tables typically include the time of high and low tides along with the corresponding water levels. Safe navigation port arrivals. For seafaring approaching a port, knowing the predicted tides times and high is paramount for several reasons. Avoiding grounding. Many ports and harbors have shallow entrances or areas with limited depths. A low tide could leave a vessel stranded on a sandbar or cause it to run around. Tide tasks help captains plan their arrival to coincide with sufficient water depth. Safe docking. The height of the tide directly affects the correspondability of docks and depths. A high tide might it easier to maneuver into a dock, while a low tide could make it difficult or impossible. Next. Navigation in confirmed waters. Navigation narrow channels, inlets, or enhances requires precise knowledge or water depths, which is